Hello everybody. Alright, so directory busting, also known as directory brute forcing or directory enumeration. It's a technique used in ethical hacking to discover hidden directories or files on a web server. Good and easy tool for directory busting is Gobuster. There are plenty of similar tools like derp, dirbuster, fuff, feroxbuster and others. Gobuster is a great directory busting tool to start with and learn. Only downside is that it is not recursive by default. If you don't have it already installed, you install it like this. So let's use sudo apt install Gobuster. Here we can see that I already have the newest version installed. Okay, let's first go and check Gobuster's options. So Gobuster, use the H switch for help, and we can pipe it to less. Here we can see that we have different modes. We have the dir mode for searching directories and files. We have the DNS mode for DNS subdomain enumeration. We can also fuzz, meaning that we can use a word list to send modified HTTP requests to the web server. And a bunch of others. In this video we will use the dir mode for searching directories and files. Alright, we should have a target running on 192, 168, 5, 6 and 6. And yes, indeed we have. Next thing, we could use nmap to check that we have a web server running on that target. So nmap sv for service enumeration. Then we're gonna scan for port 80 to check if the web server is running. Also for speed we use t4 and the IP address 5, 6 and 6. This might take a few seconds. And we got the results back, so here we can see that the port 80 is open and there's an Apache web server running. Next thing, we could save our target address to a variable, call it target, prefix it with its HTTP 192.168.5.6 and 6, and echo it out target. So here we can see that we saved it to a variable. Alright, so finally, Gobuster. Gobuster. Here we can see the dir mode's help options. We can see that there's a bunch of them. So we can for example define the target's address. We can block some status codes we don't want on the output. If we want to define an output file, we can define the number of threads we are using. Default is 10. We can use the verbose mode -v, and we have to define our word list as well. So let's see, let's use some of them here. So Gobuster, we are using the dir mode. -u was to specify our target. We save it on a variable. Next one is -w for word lists. And let's see, I have here word list open already. So basically a word list is just a list of words line by line, which the directory busting tool will use and go through each one of them and send it to the web server to check if that file name or directory exists on the server. Simple as that. Alright. So, usually in Kali Linux, all the word lists are in use, USR, share, and word lists directory. Now I have my own short word list called wordlists.txt. Next one we could use D to block the status codes we don't want on the output or on the result set. So I don't want to see 404s or 403s and so forth. Then threads, the default was 10. We could bump it up to 50, but we can use the default 10 because I don't want this laptop to start screaming for help. Alright, -x for what kind of file extensions we want to look for. Let's say PHP, TXT, and HTML files. Then we could randomize our user agent, random agent, meaning that we are going to spoof our user agent to be different than the Gobuster's own user agent. So we are using the dir mode to look for directories and files. We specify our target URL. We specify the path to our word list. We are going to block a couple of status codes, 404 and 403. Then -x means that what kind of file extensions we want to look for. And we're going to randomize our user agent as well. So here we can see Gobuster is running, already found from the web server, robots.txt, index.php, and a couple others. Here we can see also that our target URL was this. We used request method as get. We had the default 10 threads. The word list we used. We blocked few status codes and so forth. Now from this result set we could use, for example, curl to try to read through the network this robots.txt from the web server. So target and robots.txt. And here we can see the content of that robots.txt from the web server. So it's that simple to use directory busting tool like Gobuster. Thank you so much for watching. If you want to learn more about using Kali Linux and other ethical hacking tools, head over to hacknonstop.com and book your training session. Take care everybody, all the best.